Hey everyone, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas and welcome to day 15 of Nailmas. Today I have already put on my base color, which I am using Huella Beauty shade called Sweetwater, and I am putting on some festive Christmassy stars because I couldn't decide whether to do stars or holly. And I did a poll on Instagram stories and you guys picked stars. So I am doing free-handed red stars using the Dance 24 brush from What's Up Nails. After I'm done with the red base of the stars, I'm actually going to go in with some white acrylic paint and outline the stars, basically to clean up the lines and to give it a bit more of like a candy cane like feel to it, to make it a bit more Christmassy, because I do realize that this is not like a super in your face Christmas design, but it definitely has a vintage Christmas feel to it, I think. Also, like, my lines were not perfect. It has definitely been a while since I've done details like this, and in general I think stars are kind of hard, so don't stress too much if your lines are not perfect. Just go for it, have some fun. Then I decided to do like a little star burst thing, so I do a plus sign and then I kind of pull in the sides by painting them in, and that kind of makes it look like a little star that's illuminating. And then I just did some other little random like asterisk like stars and some dots here and there. And on the dots, I decided to go back in with some gold glitter and make them a bit more festive, so you guys can see my other nails now. I'm just putting little dots of a gold glitter, which is actually a hollow gold glitter, which is really pretty. It's from Poetry Cowgirl nail polish, and I'm just adding that on the white dots. Then I'm going to let that dry, and then I'm going to put on a matte top coat. I just opened the Orly matte top coat, and I am really liking it. I was out of my Sally Hansen's, and I realized that I had the Orly matte. So I'm trying it, and so far I'm really impressed. I don't know like how long it wears, but so far so good. And here as I look at the final design, well, I want to say it's a super easy design, but really it is a bit one of the more complicated ones that I have shared this year, but it is fun, and it's kind of a fun little task to take on. So that is it for this design. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching it, and I will talk to y'all soon. Bye!